Blixt Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Blixt Wallet app is one of the most talked about Lightning Network wallets today. But is it really as fast and secure as it claims? Most people get this wrong, but here's why Blixt is quietly changing how we use Bitcoin for everyday payments. Starting with the pros, Blixt is a non-custodial Lightning wallet, meaning you control your own funds. There's no third party holding your Bitcoin. It gives users full access to both on-chain and Lightning transactions, which is ideal for anyone who wants to experience real Bitcoin payments, not just whole coins. One of its strongest points is speed. Thanks to the Lightning Network, transactions on Blixt are near instant, often completing in seconds with negligible fees. This makes it perfect for small or daily transactions like buying coffee or paying for online services. Another major advantage is Blixt's transparency and control. The app provides users with advanced options like setting up custom channels, fee adjustments, and even running your own Lightning node. For tech-savvy Bitcoiners, this means complete autonomy. Blixt also has a sleek, open-source design, which builds trust within the crypto community. The open-source model allows anyone to verify its code, ensuring that your private keys and funds remain safe. Now for the cons. The same features that make Blixt powerful can also make it intimidating for beginners. Managing Lightning channels and understanding how liquidity works can be confusing for users who just want a simple wallet experience. Another limitation is that it's Bitcoin only, meaning no support for altcoins or stablecoins. If you're a multi-crypto user, Blixt won't replace your entire wallet setup. Finally, while the app is stable, some users have reported minor technical issues such as sensing delays or connection drops due to the complexity of running Lightning in a mobile environment. In conclusion, the Blixt Wallet app is a bold step toward the future of Bitcoin payments. The surprising truth? It's not for everyone, but for those who want full control and instant Bitcoin transactions, Blixt delivers unmatched power in your pocket.